It's me and Julie Silknuts Pinkie Pie Surprise. And today I have another squishy. And it came open right here. I don't know why. I'm just gonna pull it up in here. It's from Walmart. Sorry in the background. Mommy's not here, baby. Okay. Got it out.
Enjoy stuff with the ball.
And then
Hold on.
okay. So, and it says soft and slow. Soft and slow means it's soft and it's slow rising. So they have them at Walmart.
Donuts better not be gone. Bad.
I don't know why someone will open this. Because there's teenagers there. They probably opened them. Like, right as we... Oh! It just... Oh, it has a defect. $6.88. But
50 cents is really good.
it is really slow rising down. Look.
Or it maybe suck. It's usually crunchy. Probably were when they were hot. They probably were when we first got them when they were hot. No, but the baby the butt.
Slow rising. Doesn't really smell like anything. Well,
What is that?
said it doesn't really smell like anything. But it's squishy and soft. And slow rising. But they messed up a little bit on here. Should have like got this.
Open that. Give me that. What? Like the top box.
This part is not really slow rising,
The box.
but it kind of is.
I'm not in there.
Yeah, kind of. But look at the whole thing when I squeeze it. So this like this quick.
Hold on.
Okay.
Here, Mama.
You know why I like squishies more than slime? Because slime doesn't get messed up. No. Squishy doesn't get squishies does not get messed up that easily.
Mommy.
That's all for the video, guys. Bye-bye.